Hello everyone, how are you all? Okay, students. So yesterday we had started with our new chapter, chapter number 2, that is Roman numerals. So in this chapter, we have done various symbols, okay, that show which signifies some digits, numerical digits. Okay, here are the 7 symbols that we have talked about yesterday. Yesterday we have talked about. So here are 7 symbols: I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000. Okay, so but in detail we are having only these three. The first three, that is I, V and X. I, V and X. So I stands for 1, V stands for 5 and X stands for 10. Okay. So another 2 points we have discussed yesterday, 2 important points, that I and X can be repeated at most 3 times. Okay, it can be repeated only most maximum 3 times, and V is never repeated. Okay, V is never repeated. Okay, and the second one was, important point was, that V is never written to the left of X. It is never written on the left of X. It can be written on the right, but it can never be written on the left of X. And I is written only once to the left of V and X, and I can जो I और I है वो V और X के और left side में it can be written only once. That means, okay, we have third important discuss one more point. If we write any symbol to the left, sorry, to the right of other symbol, that means it signifies it is they are getting add, it is getting add, it is getting plus. Okay, and if we write any symbols to the left of another symbol, that means it is getting subtracted. Okay, so it will be much clear when we will begin with our exercise. So here the first exercise, that is 2.1. The first question is, write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. So here the numbers all the symbols are already be given, and these symbols are called Roman numerals. So we have to write these Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, just begin with our first one. Okay, the first one is V I I. That I is written on the right of V, so it will be added. V stands for 5, another I stands for 1, and otherwise 1. So the total of these three is 7. Okay, so we will simply like this. Okay, second one is X I I. X is equal to 10 plus 1 11, then 1 12, then it will become 12. Okay, moving to the third one, X X V I I. X X 20 plus 1 V 5, 25, 26, 27. So the answer will be 27. Moving to the next, X X X V I. X plus X 20 plus X 30 plus V 5, 35 plus 1 36. So the answer will be 36. As you can see, all these in this, the X is written maximum 3 times. Okay, and if we write these two numbers, they are getting added. Okay, this is how you have to do in your notebook. Okay, before after writing the proper chapter number, chapter name, and exercise number, you have to write like this. we will start with the first exercise 2.1, and here like this. So we have done up to question number, part D of question number 1. Moving to the E part, XXV is equal to 25. XSV is equal to 25. Triple X I. Triple X means 30 and I, that is 31. Okay. G and patch part as it is, as it is same as you have done above. Okay. X and V, that is, okay, just notice one thing. In G part, the V is written to the right of X. That's why it will be getting added. We can never be written on the left. Okay. So X and V is equal to 15. Then 1, 1, so then I, that is 1, 1, 1. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. So the number will be 18. Okay. Moving to the question number 2. Okay, according to the book, in question number 2, you have to fill the boxes by using three signs, that is greater than, less than, or equal to make a statement, to make a correct statement. That means in these boxes you will put the sign of greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, starting with the first one. Moving to starting with the first, as it is given, X I I is 15. Okay, X 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 13 and it is 15. So which one is bigger? Obviously 15 is bigger. Then we will put it like this. This peak is always towards the smaller number. Okay. Moving to the next, X I X. Okay, okay, here it is 10 and I is to the next, but you can, here you can see it will be like with this only. So it is 9, and it is X and X minus I, as the I is written on the left of X, it will be subtracted, and 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So it has become 19. And here it is 21. So which one is bigger? Obviously 21 is bigger. So we will put sign like this. Okay. Same in C part, excess 20 and 4. How about 24? Another one is 19. So which one is bigger? 24 is bigger. Roman numeral is bigger. So the Roman numeral is greater than 19. Okay. Moving to the next question. Okay, read and match the time for the following watches. So in this, you have to read the time and match it with the correct time. Okay, so moving to the first one. What is the time in the first watch? As we can see, the hour hand is on near about 11 and the minute hand is on 3, that is 15. So the answer is 11:15. Okay. So answer of first watch is 11:15. Okay. Next. the hour hand is on near about 1 and the minute hand is on 6, that is 30. So the time is 1:30. So the time is 1:30. So second watch, the time is 1:30. Moving to the next. The hour hand is on 6 and the minute hand is on 2. That is 10. So the time in the third watch is 6:10. So you will match the third watch with the time in the third watch is 6:10. Yes, and the last watch, the hour hand is on near about 10 and minute hand is on 5, that is 25. So the time is 10:25. So here the first watch it is 11:15, second watch 1:30, third watch 6:10 and the fourth watch 10:25. For this question you will make the clear cut square shaped clock and match it with the time. Proper neat and clean square shaped clock should be on your notebook. Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, write the following in Roman numerals. Okay, here the digits or the numbers are given and we have to write all these numbers into Roman numerals. Okay, moving to the first. Moving to the first one. Here, fourth question. 2. What is the Roman numeral for 2? I and I, that is 2. 11. 11. For 11, we will mark the sign of 10, that is x, and 1, that is 11. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. We will write the sign of I on the right side, not on the left side. If we write the I on the left side, it will be deducted. Okay, but we have to make it 11, so that's why we have to add. And for adding any symbols or any two symbols, we will write the other symbol on the right of first symbol. Okay. Third, next one is 13. 13, that means x 1 2 3. Okay, so the answer is x I. Next is 26. So for this we will mark two x's, that is 20, then v 5 25 and I, that is, okay, I'll write it again as it is, the space is not proper. X V I. So here it is X S V I, that is 26. Okay. Next is 32. For 32 we will have to put 3 x's, and is X then 2 I. So it will become 32. So your homework for today is, okay, as you can see, we have done question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so you have to do all the sums of question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your notebooks in good handwriting and draw the clock properly. And the second most thing, some parts we have done here only and some parts are left, and those part which we have not done, you have to complete it in your notebook properly. Okay, just complete it properly. Okay, do all the remaining parts of sum number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your of exercise 2.1 in your notebook. Okay, good day.